English for all.
Volume number 13 කෙටිකර භාවිතය contracted form කෙටිකර භාවිතය යනු විශේෂයෙන් ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කිරීමේදී යම් ක්‍රියාපද කෙටිකර භාවිතා කරන අයුරුයි. ඒවා ඉගෙන ගන්න. I am, I'm, I have, I've, we have, we've, he is, his, she is, she's, it is, that is, that's, there is, theirs. නැත යන්න ප්‍රකාශ කිරීමේදී කෙටිකර භාවිතා කරයි. have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, does not, doesn't, do not, don't, did not, didn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, will not, won't, shall not, sallent. මෙය ඇමරිකන් ව්‍යවහාරයේදී සාන්ට් ලෙසද භාවිතා කරයි. එනම් SHANT L නොමැතිව සාන්ට් ලෙස ශබ්ද කරනු ලැබේ. නූතන ඉංග්‍රීසි ව්‍යවහාරයේදී මෙවැනි කෙටි යෙදුම බොහෝ විට යොදා ගනී. ඔබගේ හුරුව ඇති කිරීම පිණිස ඉදිරි පාඩම්වලදී මෙවැනි කෙටි යෙදුම් භාවිතා කරන්නෙමු. ඉහත දැක් වූ කෙටි යෙදුම් හොඳින් කියවා උච්චාරණය හුරු කරගන්න. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ව්‍යවහාරයේදී can not යන්න cannot ලෙසද භාවිතා වේ. අපි දැන් ඉංග්‍රීසි වචන ඉගෙන ගනිමු. Number 211 bread පාන් රොටි. Number 212 brake කඩනවා කැඩෙනවා වේගය අඩු කරනවා. Number 213 bathe හුස්ම ආශ්වාස ප්‍රාශ්වාස කිරීම. Number 214 breed උපද්දනවා බෝ කරනවා. Number 215 bribe අල්ලස් දෙනවා. Number 216 brick උළු කැටය ගඩොල. Number 217 bride මනමාලි. Number 218 bridge පාලම ඒ දණ්ඩ. Number 219 බෝච් කූර උල. Number 220 broadcast ගුවන් විදුලිය. Number 221 brook ඇල දියපාර. Number 222 broom ඉදල මුස්නේ. Number 223 bruise තලනවා තැලෙනවා. Number 224 brush කොස්ස බුරුසුව. Number 225 root තිරසන්කම. Number 226 bubble බුබුල මායාව. Number 227 bucket බාල්දිය ෆනිට්ටුව. Number 228 buddhist බෞද්ධ. Number 229 bullet මූනිස්සම වෙඩි උණ්ඩේ. Number 230 bumpkin පිටිසරයා මොට්ටයා. Number 231 bun බනිස් ගෙඩිය. Number 232 burn දවනවා දැවෙනවා ඇවිලෙනවා. Number 233 burst පුපුරනවා පිපිරෙනවා පලනවා. Number 234 berry වලලනවා යට කරනවා. Number 235 Bush, මස්වෙලෙන්දා වදකයා. Number 236, button, බොත්තම. Number 237, buyer, ගාමඩුව. Number 238, cackle, කැකරගානවා. Number 239, cat, අසික්තයා කාඩයා. Number 240, catch, කූඩුවේ දමනවා. Children, please listen this dialogue and try to understand what they are talking and see their pronunciations clear, understandable, polite and beauty of the English speaking.
Good morning, Central High School.
Hi, this is Linda Marino. My son Jose is a freshman at your school.
Yes, Mrs. Moreno. How can I help you this morning?
I'm calling to let you know that my son is sick today, so he won't be going to school.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that.
Could you please let his teachers know?
Yes, we'll inform them that Jose won't be in class today.
Also, his friend Emily will pick up his homework assignments for him.
Okay, ma'am. I hope your son feels better tomorrow.
Thank you. Tim, could you come here for a second?
Yes, Mrs. Phillips.
I'd like to talk to you about your grade in this class.
I know I'm not doing very well, but...
You haven't done your homework this week, and you look very tired in class.
I'm sorry. I've been studying late at night, so I'm a little tired in the morning.
You should start getting more sleep. I want you to concentrate in my class.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do my best.
Jason, can I borrow your eraser?
Sure. Here, you can keep it.
Thanks. How did you do on the test last week?
Not so good. Think I failed it.
Why? Didn't you study?
Of course I did. I studied for about an hour.
Only an hour? You'd better get it together and work harder. The semester ends soon.
I know. It ends next month. Then summer vacation starts.
By the way, did you write your essay?
Essay? We have an essay? When is it due?
Are you kidding? It's due today. Care for some hot chocolate?
Yes, please. I love sweet things.
Would you like some tea?
Okay, but I prefer coffee.
I'd like steak tonight.
I'd rather have chicken. This cake is my specialty. It's made of flour, sugar, and chocolate.
I love to cook steamed eggs. I use sesame oil and soy sauce. Does this pie taste okay?
It's good, but it's a bit too sweet.
How's that soup? It's spicy. This dinner is super.
Yes, it's delicious.
How do you like the fries?
They're a bit too salty. Jennifer, that dinner was delicious.
Thank you. Can I get you some coffee?
Thanks, but I prefer tea.
No problem. So the chicken was okay? It wasn't too salty?
No, it was great. I liked the sauce you cooked it in. How did you make it?
I used some sesame oil and a little soy sauce.
Oh, I see.
Here's your tea and some cake for dessert.
Wow, this cake is fantastic. What's it made of?
It's made of flour, sugar, eggs, and dark chocolate.
It's really sweet. You're a super cook, Jennifer. Hey, Claudia, I bought you something.
Really? What is it?
Here you are. It's a box of chocolates.
Thanks, Abraham. You know I have a sweet tooth. You really shouldn't have.
It's my pleasure. Bob told me about your sweet tooth.
It's terrible, really. I eat too much sugar. Here, would you like one?
No, thanks. I don't care for sweet things.
Yum! These are really delicious.
I think I'll have a T-bone steak. What are you going to have?
That looks good. But I'd rather have the flank steak.
Okay. 1 T-bone and 1 flank. How would you like yours cooked?
Well done is good.
I'll have mine medium.
Should we get some red wine to drink?
I prefer white wine, if that's okay. Red wine's too sweet.
All right, let's get white. Wow, this dish is great, Christopher.
Thanks, Isabel. Do you really like it?
You bet. What's it made of?
There's carrots, broccoli, asparagus, and vinegar. And I mixed in some basil and chopped nuts.
It's delicious. Can I have the recipe?
Sure. I'll write it down for you. It's really simple.
How long did you cook it for?
Only 20 minutes.
Thank you so much, and see you again in the next lesson as soon as possible.